In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in LibreOffice Writer. Line spacing controls the vertical space between lines of text, and adjusting it can improve readability, meet formatting requirements, or help you fit content to a page more effectively. Start by opening LibreOffice Writer. With your document on screen, select the text you want to change. If you want the adjustment to apply to the entire document, select everything. If nothing is selected, Writer will apply the change to the paragraph where your cursor is placed. For the quickest adjustments, open the Format menu at the top and choose the spacing option. Depending on your version, this may appear as line spacing. From there, pick a standard choice such as 1 for single spacing, 1.5 for 1.5 spacing, or 2 for double spacing. You'll see the document update immediately, and you can always switch between these options to compare how your text looks. If you need more control, use the paragraph dialog for precise settings. First, make sure the text you want to modify is still selected. Then go to Format, choose Paragraph, and open the Indents and Spacing tab. In the Line Spacing section, use the drop-down to access advanced options and fine-tune exactly how lines are spaced. Proportional lets you set a custom percentage, like 120% for slightly more than single spacing. This is great for subtle tweaks that add breathing room without dramatically increasing page count. At least sets a minimum spacing value that can grow if a character, an image, or a math expression is taller than the default line height. This prevents overlapping and is a safe option when your content includes larger elements. Fixed applies an exact spacing value no matter the font size. Use this when you need absolute consistency, but be careful. If the value is too small, taller characters may appear cramped or clipped. Leading adds a specific amount of extra space between lines. Think of it as a padding that sits between the baseline of one line and the next. This is useful for a more open editorial look, especially in headings or pull quotes. As you experiment, watch the preview in the dialog and click OK when you're happy. Remember, the change applies to your selection. If you want it across your document, select All first or apply the settings to your paragraph style for consistent formatting. Save your document when you're done and you're all set.